Hello everyone, this is Ashton with Emerson Carpet One Floor & Home. So, what does home mean? Although we're known for our large selection of carpet and flooring, we also offer professional design services to bring your vision to life. We can give you advice on paint colors, patterns, and accents that would pair well with your floors, walls, and overall feel. We even have demo sets on our showroom floor, so stop by. Let's mix and match. There's lots to choose from. No matter what you prefer, our designer can help you choose the best flooring for your space. We can find the best type, design, and style to suit your space flawlessly, no matter your desires. We have arranged our showroom by color to make the shopping process fun and easy for our customers. You really need to come and check this out. If you're looking for a way to spice up your flooring, then talk to one of our flooring design specialists. Putting a new floor into your home can be a daunting task. It's not something you want to do twice. We will make sure you're asking the right questions. Are you replacing the entire home or a few rooms? Do you want a whole home flooring solution? No matter what you prefer, our designer can help you choose the best flooring for your space. Kitchen and bathroom designs? Yeah, we got you covered. When remodeling a kitchen or bathroom, it can be tough to coordinate all of the materials together. While one tile looks great on a backsplash, it doesn't always look good with every tile you may choose for the flooring. That's why we're here. We can help you choose tiles, grout colors, and more that will look amazing when united in one design. All you have to do is give us some ideas on what you're looking for, what styles you like, and your budget. Come on in and let's get it going. That's it. That's the home portion of our name, Emerson Carpet One Floor & Home. Give us a call at the number on your screen and check us out online or just walk in. We're ready to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future sales and specials. This is Ashton signing off. Thanks for watching.